Okay, now for the loops we have how to use loops. For the loops we have for and while loop. For, if we know the number of iterations, okay, and we will use range, right? Range has start, end, and the difference, okay. So if we have for x in range, okay, there was x range, but x range is not there. Now in Python 3 x range is not supported. Now we have print and print x, okay. So we should save it and see the output. You see 0 to 9, okay. So range is 10, okay. So what about while? While means if we know the number of iterations, if we do not know the number of iterations, then we use while. For example, while x is less than 10, okay, and x is equal to x plus 1, and print x, okay, there should be a colon. Colon is used in remember, okay. So we should print while, you see 4, 5, 6, because 3, x is 3 and up to 10, okay, 3 up to 10, right? So this is how while is used. While, brackets, condition, and then increment, and then body of the loop. This is very simple, while loop, okay. So what is the difference between x range? And you can use x range using some old built-in method, import the built-in, but don't use that, because that was deprecated, and we have now range, okay. The difference was x range releases the memory and range does not release the memory, and now it releases the memory, okay.